Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest rides so you know what's worth your time. Today, we're checking out a bike that blends dirt-ready grit with on-road confidence, the 2026 Honda CRF250L. Lightweight, versatile, and surprisingly refined, this dual sport might just be the perfect everyday explorer. Let's find out what makes it tick. Design. Right away, the 2026 CRF250L catches your eye with its clean, trail-inspired design. The build is unmistakably Honda, slim profile, solid stance, and just enough red to remind you of its off-road DNA. The updated plastics are sleeker, and the reshaped seat adds comfort without giving up any of that ready-for-the-dirt attitude. It's practical, rugged, and looks just as good parked at a coffee shop as it does on a muddy trailhead. Performance. Under the hood, or rather, under the tank, Honda's 249 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine has been fine-tuned for 2026. It's fuel-injected, efficient, and smooth. Power delivery is linear, making it friendly for newer riders but still responsive enough to keep things fun. And with a revised gearbox and better low-end torque, it handles trails and traffic with equal confidence. The lightweight frame and long travel suspension bring real off-road chops, while still being totally approachable for everyday use. Features and technology. When it comes to tech, Honda keeps it simple but smart. The new digital LCD dash is bigger and easier to read, showing speed, fuel, gear position, and more. ABS now comes standard, with switchable rear ABS for when the trail gets serious. You also get LED lighting all around, a lighter lithium-ion battery, and a refined fuel map that helps push efficiency even further. It's not overloaded with gadgets, just the right amount of tech where it counts. Conclusion. To sum it up, the 2026 Honda CRF250L is a bike that truly does it all. It's tough enough for adventure, light enough for city riding, and smart enough to keep you smiling mile after mile. If you're looking for one machine that can handle the daily grind and the weekend escape, this could be it. Let us know what you think. Would you take it off the beaten path? Drop a comment below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest takes on the latest bikes and gear. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.